Hi squad, welcome back to Glam Tones. It's me, Gigi, and I have a bag. So, you know, I was shopping. I went over to the nail shop with my daughter and my grandson, and we picked out a few things, and I thought we'd share them together on the channel so you can see what I grabbed. The first thing is not the most interesting, but they are my favorite buffing blocks. I really like them. I like how they fit in my hand, and they're only $5, and this is a lot, so I like those. The next thing I got were these files, which are 100, 180. That way I've got a nice coarse and then a something a little softer. So there are actually 50 in here, and they were only $9. So even though they're a little skinnier than what I usually use, I think that that's a good price, and we'll see how I like them. I've never tried this particular brand before, Beauty 20. I don't know them, so we'll see. Okay, now that we got most of the needy things out of the way, we do have one little bag of medium sanding bands. We've got more fun stuff in here. So we've got, I just needed a new top coat. This is not new to the channel, but I grabbed one of those. We have not tried on the channel the Kiara Sky Velvet Matte Top Coat, so I grabbed one of those. We will be testing that out. They had this TS Cosmetic Labs acrylic powder, and there's 1 ounce in here, and they had it for $3. So I just picked one up because I thought it would be nice for sugaring. I do not have a gem adhesive, just like an actual gel that's for the jewels. So I thought I would grab one when I saw this. And let's just pop it open and see what it looks like. Wow, this is tough. There we go. Oh, wow. Oh, it's actually really thick. I think it needs a stir. Oh, wow, look at that, guys. It's got a kind of purpley, a bluey purple sort of tinge to it. Let's give it, oh, wow, that is very thick. Okay, it's definitely got a smell. I'm super excited to give this a try now. Well, I was already really excited, so I had the worst time keeping my gems on. So let's see if it says how long to cure it. It does not say a curing time, just to avoid skin contact and use it as instruction or as instructed. But it also has a creationproducts.com website, so maybe I'll go on there and see what it says. Let's clean this because we have one more thing that's going to need it. Okay, so I bought 2 colors from the Gelixir line, which we already have a pink one, so I know I liked it a lot. So I was out of black, so I grabbed a black, and then this purple was really calling my name, so we're gonna swatch those, as well as this QT gel polish, and it's also a match, so it's got the same as the Gelixir does. I like this lilac-y pink color, so we are also going to be swatching that, as well as this Gaudy but Gorgeous from Light Elegance, which is got a seal on it, so we will be busting that. And last but not least, we have these pretty gems. I don't have a lot of square gems or triangle gems or any of these. I'm not sure what the actual name of these are, but I saw them. They have a bunch of packs of these and they're $12. But because I've got a ton of round gems and not, I guess we're ripping, guys. Because it's stuck to this. There we go. It was just tape. I have tons of round gems, but I don't have any like this. So I thought I would grab this. Let's go ahead and crack some stuff open and do some swatching. Because it's glitter, we're going to save this one for last. Okay, guys, we do have a Gelixir in the collection already, but I just wanted to show you it's a very thick gel. Let's go ahead and give it a quick swatch. This is the black. That's rich. Hi guys, Editing Gigi here. Totally love this black polish. I didn't show you that it's called Black Night, and it is number 89 from the Gelixir line. Really, really love this color. Okay, that's a very rich black. It's not 100% opaque, but very close, and it applied very nicely. Let's come in with the dark violet. Oh, that is a pretty, pretty purple. Wow. That was the funniest wow I've ever wowed. But this color deserves it. That is a gorgeous, gorgeous purple. Cannot wait to wear this. I think it is really, really stunning. That is just so, so pretty. Okay, this one is the QT. And it says number 55. I don't think there's a name for it, just number 55. And while I really like this color and it's a little lighter than the lilac that I already have, which is more of a lavender, I was actually hoping for it to be a little more sheer. I don't think it completely matches the polish that it came with, but I still like it. Okay, guys, we saved the glitter for last. We've got Light Elegance, Gaudy but Gorgeous. And sure, I can open this. Okay, I do appreciate a tab on the side that I can grab. Oh, guys. All right, when you look at this, it's one thing. But when you look inside, look at that. Holy crap. This one, my daughter picked out. I showed her where the Light Elegance stuff was and said if you see something, just pick it. And this is what she picked. And what a good pick it was. Okay, let's pull this all the way off. Give it a little stir. Wow. Guys, look at how rich and gorgeous that is. All right, I feel like this would look so pretty on top of the black, don't you think? Definitely pretty with the black. It's very green, very pretty. There's a couple of different colors of green glitter in here. And it looks like it's in a green gel base. There's definitely small glitters and medium chunky glitters. I don't really see large chunky, but definitely some medium in here. And some fine glitter. And you could definitely like not do it as thick as I'm doing and give it more of a sheer quality where it shows through. But I'm gonna just go ahead and swatch it nice and juicy. Oh, this is very, very pretty. And I am just so obsessed with greens right now, and green is a pretty spring and summer color. But honestly, I could see this in some Christmas nails as well. So I feel like we're gonna get a ton of use of this here on the channel. If you have any ideas of things you'd like to see with any of the colors that we grabbed today, let me know in the comment section, because you know, I like making you guys happy. Although that weird noise I made just now didn't make me that happy. I'm gonna be honest about that. Let's pop this in the lamp. Okay guys, just to give our matte top coat a little test, I am gonna do the glitter with clear, but the other ones, or the glitter with shiny with clear. That was funny. The glitter with shiny, because it's glitter, right? Come on, we wanna see it shining. And, but I'm gonna do the other ones matte so we can see how the matte top coat looks. Oh, wow. Wow, look at that. It looks matte even just coming out of the bottle. Editing Gigi back just real quickly while we top coat these. Wanted to say, I know I did not do a Mother's Day video this year, but I hope that you did have a wonderful Mother's Day. I know mine was fantastic, and I hope that yours was as well. So whether you are a mother or just celebrated with your mother, happy Mother's Day, and I hope it was really fantastic. Oh, the sticky layer from that black definitely went on the brush, so watch those sticky layers. Okay guys, these are the things that I got at the shop here in my town, but I did want to mention to you guys as well that they do actually have a website. It is vbsnails.com, so you can go over there and check out what they have and see if there's anything you'd like to order. There's no sponsorship or anything. They don't know me, right? Except when I bring money. There's no discount or anything, but they do have some nice things at good prices. Like each of these were like $5. And that's keeping into account that you're getting, you know, a polish and a gel polish. So if you're interested, check them out. Again, that's VBS Nails. If you have a shop in your area, go patronize them, because they definitely... Patronize them? Is that the right word? Anyway, be their patron, right? Go and shop in their shop, because small businesses need our support more than huge corporations do. And there we go. Okay, guys, thanks so much for coming by today. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and we will see you Wednesday when we use some of this cool stuff. Bye-bye.